Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete Terabox account on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Terabox account on your phone, first open up your Terabox app, and after opening a Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings and over here tap on the security center option at the top of the screen guys, and you can see the delete an account button at the bottom of this list. Tap on delete an account and scroll down guys after reading all of the information from Terabox account, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is an empty circle at the bottom left corner. Tap on the empty circle where it says beware of risk and confirm to cancel the account, and tap on delete account and tap on OK button over here, and then you'll proceed to delete your account on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete Terabox account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.